and today my presentation will about video monitoring at the workplace. And my presentation will have three main parts: is the introduction, the analysis, and the conclusion. But first of all, we should know that what is video monitoring. And what is the purpose of using video monitoring? Video monitoring is one of the automatic surveillance that most employers use in their company. And a video monitor is also called a broadcast monitor. This device is look like a television, which is connected with camera to have the employer monitor have the employer observe their employee easily and accurately. Here we can see the picture is a little bit small, but here is the broadcast monitors. It just look like a television, and they have a wire to connect with the camera. And usually in one company, they have more than 5 or 6 camera. And all of the broadcast monitor they will put in one room, and all the webcam, the camera, they place in many different places, such as like outside the main building or inside the main building. And now we will talk about the purpose of using video monitoring. There are many reasons why the employer use video surveillance in their office. First of all, this is a common method to prevent theft. It can be both employee theft or the customer theft. In a company, sometimes the employees they want to take something at the office to their home, so video monitoring will record all the action, and the employer can know that who did it. And the second is the deterring customer theft. This is really common. Every day we can hear on the television or hear from the radio that, for example, somebody robbed the bank, and at the bank there are many cameras that can record all the action, and this is really a good way to have the police to identify who is the robber. And in order to protect their employees, the employer usually set up camera for 24/7 at the main office, the office room, or the parking lot. Here's the picture that shows at the parking lot there are two people. Maybe they are fighting each other, or someone was attacked by another one. And this picture can be the proof that the police or the security can know that who are they. And last but not least, this is a good way for the employer to monitor their employees' productivity, and they can keep an eye on their employees by using video monitoring. And this is all about the employer and video monitoring. And now to know how the employees feel and how they think about video monitoring, let's move on to the survey analysis. And I surveyed 25 people at Breadmore, and 16 of them are women and 9 of them are men. And the first question is, does your company have video monitoring? And I was really surprised, all of them, all of the 25 people say yes. And we can see that it's really using video monitoring is widespread and necessary in the office. And I asked, and all of those 25 people are 31 people, which is equal 32% people say that employee can use the video surveillance at the main building, and the highest numbers is the office room, which is 25 people say that the employees must use the video surveillance at the office room, and the rest of them, some of them say that they can use at the locker room or at lunch, but there is one answer that nobody allowed that this is the restroom, and they say it's a private and a sensitive place to put the camera. And I asked them, how do you feel when your employers set up a video camera? I asked them if they feel safe, they feel uncomfortable, they feel demeaned, or it's legitimate to use a video camera. And 40 to 43% people say that they feel safe and it is legitimate to use video surveillance at the workplace. And only 1% say that they feel demeaned when their boss set up the video camera, and they say that they don't know, they just cannot stop asking themselves like, what did I do wrong? Why the boss had to monitor me? So, and the rest of them, like, they feel uncomfortable, and of course this happens a lot to us. When we do something and someone just keep an eye on us, of course we feel really uncomfortable. And so, in conclusion, I think that video monitoring is an essential procedure to protect both company and employees, and the employers should step up installing more video surveillance at the workplace, because video monitoring creates a safe workplace environment. And to make video monitoring more efficient and legitimate, I think that the employees should be aware that their employers are watching them, because hiding camera will make the employees feel demeaned and disrespected. And in order not to invade employees' privacy, the employer must not set up the video surveillance in some private place like restroom or locker room. And I think that main building, office room, and the parking garage are places which appropriate to set up video monitoring. And finally, I think that in the future, I believe that there will be more surveillance which will boost the workplace safety, such as like video monitor, which includes the audios or the